Hello, this is a new part of the Python Messenger development. The Messenger now has new features and the code base has grown significantly. Let me show you. We now have a new button, Create Group. You can set a group description, choose a group name, and even change the group avatar color. Later, I will add the ability to use proper custom avatars. Groups also have basic settings, such as changing the name and description, as well as adding and removing members. You can also delete a group. And there's now an option to clear group messages. Now, when you send messages, the time they were sent will be displayed. I also added the ability to copy a message, reply to a message, and forward a message. Messages can now be deleted as well. You can delete them either for yourself only or for everyone. As you can see, I logged into another account and the selected messages were actually deleted. That is all for now. Stay tuned for updates.